Yeah, hi dosto. Today I will show you that how to apply the label using on the documents. So in my previous video, I was discussed about the labels which has applied on the only email. So I will talk about also with the documents. How can we apply that this label on the documents also? So now I will go here. So there is already I had created a one label, sensitive label, so I will check that one how what I was applied in that option. So I click on edit button. So now here you can see that this is the name, display name and description. So everything I was just explained about the option that in the previous video. So I will talk only this option, the files. So files, protected files created Word, Excel, PowerPoint and more. So when you are sending an email that you when you will apply a label on the email, then that label applied to document also. So now here I will click. So here apply a remove encryption here. So this is an Outlook enforce one of the following restriction. I had encrypt the email and document. So here I selected that in Word, PowerPoint, Excel, prompt user specify the permission. So I will click here next. I think it's a default. Yeah. So you can see this label here. So now we have to publish this label. So here there is I already published this one, so I can show you that one how I publish this one. Click here, I select this label. So this is the default. I select for all users. So here I did not select anything. Default label, it means that when you will try to send a new email, that will apply by or default on that particular email. So no, I will not select that one. No, I not select that one. Submit. So now this label has been applied. Now I will talk about the behavior of the label. How does it work? So there is Outlook. I will send one document to internal. This is the internal, and I will send the document as external. So this is external. Now I select Excel file. We can just make an Excel file. So here I will attach that attachment. Testing for level. This is the one. Now I will type here test. Now I will send this one to the external as internal. So I can show you that what is the behavior with external first. You can see here I just received this email label that is the attachment. So I will I hope that I was not selected the label in that email. Sorry for that. I have to select the label first, and then I have to send this one. This one was the label. And I have to this one, and I have to send to I have to send it again. So this is now I send it again. You can check that one. We will receive another one. So you can check again. Yeah. So I received this email is without label. So we can check here. This we can open easily that email and also the document. Now I will check for that one. So it is a you can see here this is the encrypted and it is not showing attachment, but yeah, this is showing. Yeah, here you can see that one. This is showing attachment. So we will click on here, then we will check the documents. Meanwhile we can open. Okay, so meanwhile I will show you the internal also as well as. So here this is Outlook. You can see here message encryption by Microsoft 365. It means that it is encrypted by the Microsoft 365 services. Now so you can see here this is the content which write, and this is the attachment here. So an error occurred while the document preview was being created. Please try again later. Okay, now again check on this one. You can see here there should be showed a one pop-up that it is in a preview mode. So it is in a view mode. So I can show you that one. If I will type here anything, they will read only. So this workbook was open in the read mode only. So it means that when you apply the label, then the external user cannot edit that one the particular file, or cannot yeah, they cannot edit that file. Only he can view that one file. So now I can show you that this is the default, this is the behavior of the external. Now I will check for the internal. So this is the email. Internal person will he can open directly that email. There is no need to extra activity to do the same. Now you can see here the message. This file is open in the read only mode. This message is encrypted. Recipient cannot remove the encryption. I was selected that in the encryption, but no one can remove the encryption. And this file was open in read only mode. So it means that internal person also cannot edit that file. It means that when you will download and try to edit that one, it will be restricted to edit that file because it's encrypted. So I hope guys you understood this one. And yeah, if you have any concern, if you have any questions in your mind, then you can put in a comment box. I will check and I will update you accordingly. So thank you guys.